What's up guys, Bearded Jeeper here, and today we're talking about MYCHANIC's new Fastback stool. So let's check it out. Alright, so if you've watched my channel before, you know MYCHANIC is a huge supporter of the channel, and I really appreciate all the support they've given this channel. Now, they make really high quality, top of the line stuff, and this Fastback stool is not an exception at all. Let's take a closer look. Alright, so we have our MYCHANIC logo right on top. Their green and black signature scheme, I love it. It looks great, and it's a nice cushiony seat. It's just like their Sidekick stool, the second edition one. It's a really good and cushiony seat, which my butt really appreciates, and so will yours. And down here, it's pretty minimalistic design, but it's really, I really like this. So you got a cup holder for your beverage of choice, whether it be a frosty brew or a soda or water or whatever. You have a cup holder for that, and then you have this very large tray in the bottom here, and you can fit quite a bit, and it's kind of got a little bit of a texture in here, and it has embossed in the bottom here their MYCHANIC logo. It's very subtle, but it does add a little bit of like a finishing touch, and it looks like it's built high quality. And then along the back you have spaces for sockets. It starts at 8mm and goes up to 16, I think. Yeah, it goes up to 16. So you can't fit a lot of sockets back there, but if you've worked on a Jeep before, you know there's a lot of metric sockets, so that's perfect for us. Now you have these 3-inch caster wheels. They kind of come common on most of the MYCHANIC stuff now, and these roll over just about anything. My driveway and little parking pad here isn't the best, but it definitely will roll easily over any little bump and crack, and you won't have to worry. I really love this stool. It's my new favorite stool. I mean, this thing rolls around nice and easy. It's easy to reach all your tools, get your sockets behind you so you can reach those easily, and it's just well built. There's not a lot of frills, it's just simple, it works, and that's what you need in a stool. Now, one of my favorite features of this stool is the Fastback design. This not only allows you easy access to your tools, but it looks really neat too. And you don't have a big bar coming across here, so you can reach in, grab what you need, put it back, and you're not bumping your hand off a little bar. It's 100% made in the USA, which is always a plus in my book. Super high quality, nice and sturdy. This is a really nice bench. It rolls around easily. This tray is really nice. Deep enough so you can fit tools in, but they're not gonna fall out. Not heavy at all, but yeah, this can support up to a 350-pound person, so got plenty of strength behind it. The price right now is around $50, so if you want to get one, I'll post a link in the description so you can check it out for yourself, and I think you'll definitely want one. It's a great stool for 50 bucks. This has to be my new favorite MYCHANIC stool. I mean, my favorite work stool all around. I love this thing. So if you have any questions, leave a comment below. As always guys, stay bearded, stay jeepin'. I'm out.